Hey, hello there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm Omotola Michael, and today I'm glad to welcome you to another part of the Microsoft Windows PC space. And today we are going to talk about something interesting, for you computer users or Windows users. You'd have thought of a time whereby you want to use a particular software and you don't want it to affect your PC. So today we are going to talk about the Windows Sandbox. But before we talk about the Windows Sandbox, uh, what is a sandbox? A sandbox is an isolated testing environment that enables users to run programs or open files without affecting the applications. So, when developers or computer users want to test a program that they are not sure of, they don't want it to affect their computer, and that's where the sandbox comes in. So today we are going to talk about how to enable a Windows Sandbox on your operating system. So the first thing you are going to do is to go to the control panel by typing the control panel after searching with a Windows key. So when you get to the control panel, you would like to go to the programs. Yes, and at the programs, you are going to see what is called turn Windows features on or off. So you want to click that, and the next thing you're going to see, to turn on a feature, select its checkbox. To turn it off, clear its checkbox. So we're going to try to scroll down to where we can find Windows Sandbox. So you can see that Windows Sandbox. So when we click on that, we would enable it. But before we enable it, always make sure that you are on the Windows 22H2, Windows 10 or 11 22H2. It works there. So now if we open your settings, we can check the version of Windows you are using by clicking on System, going to About. Yes, you would see the version of Windows you're on. So it works on Windows 10 Pro or 11 Pro. And when we click on that, when we click on OK, you'd see that it would start to, bring out all the files that is required for the Windows Sandbox. Yes, you're going to see that it's going to start populating the files that is required for this Windows Sandbox, so that you can test applications up. Then we click on Restart, and the computer goes into the restarting environment, and we just wait until. Great, now we are back. So let's see if the Windows Sandbox has been enabled. Then I'll click on the Windows key and search for Sandbox right here. Sandbox. So you can see the Windows Sandbox is up, and you can click on it. Then it launches. So just give it some time. So now you can see the environment right here. So you can see it's just exactly like a Windows replica. So you can just now, for example, you can just open your main page in File Explorer. Let's say, for example, you want to run a particular software. Let's just say you have a software you want to run. Let's just open a software, and you don't want to install it here because you are not sure of how safe that software is. So you can just go here, go to a file in the software, right? So to do that, you can just go to a file in the software. Let's say this is one of this file. Let's say you just want to install this, right? So you can just pick, let's say for example this. So to do that, what you just need to do right now is to take the file from your, can you see this is the display from my original window? You can copy it. So you can just copy it. Then you go to your Windows Sandbox. You can open the File Explorer here, right? You can open any folder. Then the next thing for you is to click on the paste icon. So you can see it copies what you have on your main, on your main window or main environment to the software environment. Then you can test run it to install here. Can you see? Then you can I'm just using this as an example. So in that way, this is not installed on, you understand, your main operating system. So it's installed on the Windows Sandbox. So it pretty has some features. You just like the Windows so can you see the software has been activated? Can you see? And it opens. So that's basically the function or one of the essential things of the Windows Sandbox. You can see that it's not really activated here, and also it has a virtual space, a virtual storage, yes, where you can run whatever you want to do. You can test, you can see your installed apps, check where you want to get your apps, different things. But this does not substitute the main Windows environment, but at least it does something. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can help me and we can post more videos on this. Thank you very much and peace.